we're here today to get to know the athletes and begin our journey as they prepare for the road to Abu Dhabi for the 2019 Special Olympics World Games. We feel really privileged to be working with them in the build up to that, and we have a lot planned for the next few months, so it's an exciting time for all of us.
Hi, my name is Mark Laffey. I'm the golfer.
My name's Daniel. I'm representing Ireland in Special Olympics football.
Microsoft Philanthropies encourages employees to give of their time, talent and treasure for our local community. As part of this, we partner with the Special Olympics in an employee engagement program. It's great to connect employee passion with organizations like the Special Olympics.
My name is Laura and I do gymnastics.
Really great table tennis.
Great to meet the athletes as well as meeting other members of the Microsoft teams. The day is all about the athletes, to be honest. It's about us interacting with them and giving back to the community.